What's up guys? So today I'm going to be replacing the air filter on this 2019 Hyundai Kona. Now I called up the dealership and they wanted $23 for the air filter, $95 labor, $118 total to get this done. So you might be thinking to yourself, this must be a really hard, time-consuming process. I'm here to tell you it's not, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. This is your air filter housing. There are two clips on the driver's side of the vehicle that you have to release. Now the top of this housing just lifts up on this side and it slides towards the driver's side of the vehicle, and that releases these two tabs in the back. Now you don't have to pull this up very high and we can get access to the filter, so we can just pull this out. Now if your filter housing on the bottom here is extremely dirty, you can take a shop vac or just a regular vacuum and suck all that dirt out. This one isn't too bad, but I'm going to clean it out anyways. Now you do want to take your air filter out of the box. It does work better that way. Now this gets installed with this lip towards the top of the vehicle. Now make sure your filter is seated in properly. Now this top of this housing, you just want to slide these two tabs back into their home. Then you can push this towards the passenger side of the vehicle and push this down, and all you have to do is reattach these two clips. And you're done. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed that video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. End up in the neighbor's yard.